From the very beginning of my flying career, it's been my goal to show you guys why I think becoming a professional pilot is one of the most exciting career decisions you could ever make. Today is a little bit bittersweet because it's my last day flying for Mokulele Airlines out here in Hawaii, and I have some really exciting plans coming up soon that I'll talk about in just a second. But first, here's a look back at the past year.
I was offered the opportunity to begin training at Envoy Air, a large regional airline owned by American Airlines. Like many young pilots, right after graduation, I faced some tough career decisions about what the next steps of my career would be. And honestly, there wasn't a whole lot out there explaining exactly what it would be like to become a regional airline first officer for the very first time. This is where my next video series kicks off.
I'll likely be flying either the Embraer 145 or 175 out of one of Envoy's 4 major hubs: Chicago, New York, Dallas, or Miami. The airline has over 150 jets flying 1,000 daily departures around the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Regardless of which airline you'd love to fly for one day, my goal is to show the common experiences that all of us will face as applicants and new hires to regional airlines around the country. That means detailing the training, the check rides, schedules, benefits, and lifestyle changes that come with being a Part 121 regional airline first officer for the very first time.
It's no secret that the aviation industry is better than ever for young pilots right now. So if you've ever wanted to become an airline pilot, leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like to see from this next video series. I just want to thank you guys again for being such awesome subscribers. You make my job a ton of fun. I can't wait to see what comes next.